squadrons at RAAF Amberley in Queensland. This is the final performance of the F-111 here at Avalon. Today and tomorrow, the F-111's performance will be remembered as one of the great displays at an Australian airshow, and we are very proud to present this high-performance strike reconnaissance bomber to you today. Gary Wesley, 40 years of service. This has been documented very well, and it will go down in the annals of history of being one of the great moments. Your commentary in just 1 or 2 moments, but firstly from the left, a high-speed run by the F-111. Is at the controls with his air combat officer as they roll the aircraft now. A daring turn, very neatly done, and repositioning for its next pass. Joined on commentary with Gary Wesley.
Thanks, Peter. The high-speed pass coming up, as you said, Bud, you'll have this aircraft wound up to around 550 knots, some 890 kilometres an hour. Truly beautiful sight against the grey backdrop of New Yanks. Just want to come in, Pete, just enjoy the speed and the sound of the F-111. As you said, it's its last show here at Avalon, so we're not going to see too much more of the F-111. So let's just enjoy it, ladies and gentlemen, as you see the wings get started. Smoke trail hanging out the back. Here comes the F-111.
turbofan engines that have successfully powered these aircraft for many a long year. And the F-111 that was delivered to Australia in 1968 actually didn't physically get delivered until 1973. Now that is a long period of time for an aircraft that came off a 1959 drawing board. So be it. But under the bonnet, as it were, the technology, like our FA-18 Hornets, has been constantly upgraded to keep this aircraft at the forefront of its capability. Number 6 Squadron, represented here today, the sole squadron flying the remaining F-111s until the termination of their service.
Mid-radius turn coming up.
Supersonic speed was considered beyond space-age technology. The aircraft soon proved itself after an initial period of, well, getting over a few hurdles to get the technology dead right, but then ultimately it made its mark globally.